Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a junk journal supply haul for you, or a thrifted haul of items that I may or may not use in junk journals. I'm not sure, but you know me, I'm a sucker for old vintage books and vintage playing cards, and then I found some wrapping paper here. But this is kind of a combination between thrift stores, an estate sale, and some items that I received as gifts. So I'll just go ahead and go through them for you and you can see what I found. Okay, so first of all, I have 3 sets of playing cards. A couple of these I actually ordered on eBay because I wanted them for Wizard of Oz junk journal and Mary Poppins. So I have these here that are the hot air balloons, and I may put sets of these up in my Etsy shop as well and sell them off for junk journalists. I'm not sure, because there are 2 sets in each of these. So I have those, which are really cool, and then I have these carousel horses. I believe there's 2 different colors. Let's see here. Yeah, there's a pink and yellow pack. So those are really cool. And then this was from a thrift store, and they are some floral botanical vintage cards. I found a Jack and the Beanstalk little tiny book, a Randy McNally Jr. elf book. It's kind of coming apart, so it's perfect for making a little mini junk journal out of. Really cute. And then I found these. These were actually all from the estate sale we went to. They were all 50 cents. We were there like that last hour and a half of the sale. So I found a puppy's book, the kitten little cut out book. I love these books that are cut out like this. The 3 Little Pigs. I'm going to be making a pig journal for my daughter. She loves pigs. And then this little puppy book, which is super cute. And if you didn't recently see, I did 2 Lady and the Tramp junk journals. They're up in my Etsy shop right now, and if you purchase one of these, I'll probably include 1 or 2 of these pages in with the purchase of the book. So really cute. There is some vintage Aladdin and Beauty and the Beast wrapping paper. I plan on making more Disney books and journal kits. So if you comment down below what your favorite Disney character is, or movie, or whatever kind of theme you would like to see me do as far as my journals or journal kits. And yeah, because I really like to know, and I definitely plan on doing journal kits and obviously more journals. So I'd really like to know what all you guys would like to see. So there's that. And then here's some books. This is a Train for Tommy. It's in pretty rough shape, so I just thought they were really cool vintage pages to include in journals. But love the illustrations in here. So there's that one. Here's the Alice in Wonderland little golden book. This looks pretty new. This is from 2010, but I do have a couple other Alice in Wonderland little golden books that are a little bit older. But I love this cover. The specific cover is really pretty and vibrant, and would make a really fun little golden book junk journal. Okay, and then I found this one, Mrs. Meyer's Cow. It's a Ding Dong School Press golden book. I'm assuming it's a little golden book, just really old. It's from, I don't even know, because it's in the letters. What do you even call that? I don't know. It's not in numbers. It's in Roman numerals. That's what it is. But this one, it actually, it has a lot of scrabbling in it. So this one I'm going to actually use and make ephemera out of some of the stuff in the pages, things that'll actually don't have, which isn't very much, so it's kind of a flop, I guess. But I can definitely use the cover for a journal and make it like a farm themed journal, so that's mainly what I got it for. And then there's maybe 2 or 3 pages that have actual pictures on them that I can cut out that don't have scrabbling in it. That's a really cute little picture of a little girl there. So, but if it didn't have all the scrabbling in it, it would be really cool. Alright, the next item I have is this Happy Hours coloring book. And it also has Roman numerals, which I can't remember. I'm not sure what that is. I have to look it up. I don't remember. I know I learned it, but I don't remember. This one has pages that are colored, and I think there's some in the back. Well, that would be perfect for Lady and the Tramp. Just thought these were really cute. Another one that's would be really cute for Lady and the Tramp. Some camping ones in there. So that was really cute. And then here is a vintage Mickey Mouse and Friends. This one actually hasn't been colored in, I don't believe, but it's from 1987. This is a really cute book. Beach coming. That's cute. Okay, and then this one, I think I found this at the thrift store. This is a favorite flowers in color. It's got a little water damage down here, but it has lots, like several plates in here of different flowers. So this would be perfect for botanical journals and ephemera kits. I think every page has a plate on it, just about. So that's really cool. And then this one, I love this. This is Birds, Wildflowers, and Trees. It's called Introduction to Nature. This is a really cool book. It is from, let's see when it's from, 1955. So this has a lot of fun illustrations in it. I think every page has a really cool illustration on it. So perfect for journals. Okay, and then this book, I don't know what it says. I think it's in German, maybe? That is. This is a music book, but I love the illustrations in here. So beautiful. I'd have to look up to see what the actual songs are in here. I'm gonna do some translating. Really thought this was cool. It's coming apart. It's got some like rust in it, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's pretty damaged up, so it'll be good to upcycle it into a journal. This one is really cool, the Golden Songbook. can't remember. This is from an old library. But this is super fun. This one, let's see. This is from 1955. This is a music book as well. I really love the illustrations. The whole little cartoon design in here is really cute. And I love seeing these older songs like this. And some of the older songs that were before even my childhood, they just make me chuckle when I read them. So cute. But this book as well is in pretty rough shape. There's tape and rips and everything throughout, so this will be perfect to upcycle. Yeah, there's staining and folds and everything, but it's just a lovely book. Love it. Alright, so that is what I found. As I said, some of them were gifts, some of them I found at thrift stores, some of them I found at estate sales, so hopefully you enjoyed seeing all these fun items. Be sure to comment down below what theme you would like to see on my channel as far as journal themes, and also if I'm going to be putting together journal kits to where it would have like a little golden book with pages and ephemera and things like that, so that you can make your own little golden book. And I do plan on doing an updated little golden book junk journal tutorial, probably like a series of like 1 to 2 videos, or even 3 maybe, depending on how long the videos end up being. But I wanted to do that because I've had people ask me in the comments if I have a little golden book journal tutorial. So yeah, go ahead and leave those comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.